Hi friends, welcome to Spaceopedia. I am back with a new video. In yesterday's video, we see about Io, and in today's video, we will discuss about Saturn. So, let's start the video. Saturn, the spectacular rings around this giant planet, make it one of the wonders of our solar system. Saturn is the second biggest planet after Jupiter, and like Jupiter, it has a huge family of moons. Saturn is a gas giant, a vast spinning globe made of chemicals that exist as gases on Earth, such as hydrogen. Saturn is 96% hydrogen, but only the outer layers are gas. Deep inside the Saturn, the hydrogen is compressed into liquid by weight of gas above it. Saturn is almost as wide as Jupiter but has less density than it. It has only one third of Jupiter's mass, making the Saturn far less dense. In fact, it is the least dense planet of all. It is the least spherical. Saturn spins so fast that it bulges at its waist, making it wider than it tall. Like Jupiter, it has a stormy outer atmosphere lashed by powerful winds that sweep its cloud into horizontal bands. Rings of Saturn. Saturn's rings are made of fragments of dirty ice orbiting the planet in an almost perfectly flat plane. The ice reflects sunlight, often making the rings look very bright. Atmosphere of Saturn. Saturn's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, with clouds of ammonia, ice, and water. Ice on the top. Horizontal winds sweep the creamy colored clouds into bands like those on Jupiter, but with fewer large eddies and storms. Polar hexagon. Around the North Pole, clouds from a mysterious hexagonal pattern that has persisted for decades. Each side of hexagon is wider than Earth. It may be a long-lived wave, but no such pattern is seen at the South Pole. In its center, there is a raging hurricane, shown here in false color, in which wind speeds reach 530 km per hour, 5 times faster than hurricane in Earth. Inside Saturn, the outer layer called liquid hydrogen and helium is, we will call it liquid hydrogen layer. The huge weight of Saturn's atmosphere squeezes the hydrogen underneath into a liquid, forming a vast internal ocean. This sea of liquid hydrogen has no surface. Instead, it gradually merges into the gas layer above it. Below the liquid hydrogen and helium, there is liquid metallic hydrogen and helium. We will call it at liquid metallic layer. At great depths, the pressure is so intense that the hydrogen turns into a liquid metal. An additional layer of liquid helium may surround the core. Inside the liquid metallic layer, there is the core of Saturn. At the planet's center, there might be a core made of a mixture of rock, metals, iron, and nickel. Changing view of Saturn. Saturn is tilted on its axis, so our view of the rings from Earth changes greatly as Saturn orbits the Sun. When the rings are side on, they are almost invisible. It takes around 15 years for the rings to go from full view to almost invisible and back again. Elongated storm. In 2011, a huge storm broke through Saturn's hazy surface and quickly spread eastwards. After a few months, it had spread all the way around the planet, stirring up the clouds into swirls and ripples, shown here in false color. Mission to Saturn. In 2004, the nuclear-powered Cassini spacecraft arrived at Saturn, packed with scientific instruments to study the planet and its rings and moons. The data and images it has since sent back have transformed our understanding of Saturn. Cassini released a separate probe, Huygens, that parachuted onto the surface of Saturn's biggest moon, Titan. So we will discuss about fast facts. First, if we take surface gravity of Earth as 1, then surface gravity of Saturn will be 1.02. Second, Saturn needs 10.7 hours to complete one rotation around itself. Third, Saturn has 62 known moons. Fourth, Saturn needs 29 years to complete one revolution around Sun. Fifth, Saturn was first discovered by spacecraft in 1979. Sixth, Saturn is the only planet in solar system which is lighter than water. Seventh, lightning on Saturn is 10,000 times stronger than lightning on Earth. Eighth, 764 times Earth's volume could fit inside Saturn. So friends, I hope you all should like this video and information about it. So goodbye and take care.